Hey guys, I just wanted to show off a little unboxing of this new unbox Hunter original ceiling fan I got off of eBay not too long ago. Got it for a pretty good price considering that it's new in box. And I should clarify, it is new, but some of the parts have been taken out of the packaging, so it's a little bit of a glare. And the box does have some signs of wear, but I still think it's pretty cool. On this side, it's more about the fan. For those who don't know, this fan is from 1983, I think, which was kind of the first year for Unipack models, just meaning that the blades actually came in the box, which explains why this box is so big. Because before that, they had blades sold separately, and you can pick whatever blades you wanted, kind of like Casablanca. And of course, by the late 80s, everything was Unipack, but this is kind of cool. And here's some other models. So it's really sunny, so it's kind of a glare, but and since you probably already know, this fan is very heavy, so I might have to pause the recording a couple times just to get stuff out of the box. But here's what I mean. These are the blades. They're brown Reverseair. Put them down here for now. And then in here, there we go. The canopy. Two-piece. And there is more in here. The original plastic bag with the grommet, hanger, the old oil, which is cool. Probably shouldn't use that, but it's cool that's there. The hook, and the screws. And the downrod. Tiny little downrod. Manual. I'll get separate pictures of these. In fact, I think for all of these, I'm gonna take them out of the packaging, pause the recording, and show what that looks like. I don't think there's anything else. Oh no, more. These are blade screws. Okay. Cool. Oh, just kidding, there is more, because this fan comes with an isolation ring. Yep. Isolation ring instructions. This fan comes with a polished brass one, so check that out. Here it is. Obviously this wasn't originally put in a Ziploc bag like this. Okay, here's the ring. It's metal. It's meant to isolate noise, which I haven't used one of these personally, but apparently it was actually pretty successful in doing so. So that's nice. That with the others. Okay, I think for real this time that is the last of this middle box. And then, the really fun part is the motor. So this fan, the motor itself weighs at least like 40 pounds, so I'm going to pause the recording and come back with it already out of the box. Okay, now that everything's out of the box and packaging, we can get a better look. So first, here's the paperwork that was in that bag. This one basically just says, like, hey, this fan is really heavy, please install it correctly, otherwise it is going to fall. And then this one is for light kit instructions. Little Robbins and Myers card. Just a bit about the motor warranty. Owner registration card. I'm not sure if this was at the same time when they had the limited lifetime warranty, but that might be what that's about. And then an actual owner's manual. The lovely, lovely brown color. I wonder if anyone scanned this before. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. More just installation instructions. Putting the blades on. Can install Hunter fan now. Putting blade on bracket now. Oh, thank you for focusing. And I always love these diagrams where it's like they slice the motor in half and show you what's actually inside of it. Multiple companies have done this. I think it's just really cool. Yep, some problem solving. As you can see, there was a noise problem. These fans do hum. The isolation ring does help, but normally they do. Anyway, so you can see the blades there. I think the blades were included afterwards. Normally they would have had polished brass irons because it has a polished brass faceplate, but it doesn't really matter. I think this is a 2-speed model, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, this fan is from '83. Check the tag. Oil hole. Fun fact, the way if you can tell if a Hunter original is made in America versus China, at least fully. I know there was some thing with that where it's like they were made in Taiwan the entire time. But anyways, the way you tell if it's made in America versus Taiwan is if you can see through the motor. Because the windings are on the outside. Same goes for the top. And I know someone's itching to say, it's on wood floor, you're going to scratch it. I'm being very careful. And trust. Also, it has bubble wrap under it, so. Let's get an overall shot of everything. Alright, and that's going to do it for this quote-unquote new in-box Hunter original ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.